Hi, this is Bill Kesterkey with Key Exteriors. We're standing in front of the 2018 $50,000 home makeover winner, Jill Mills, on Larry Drive in north of Fort Wayne, Indiana. When we remodeled this home, we brought a designer in, Katie Hartzog, and she started off with the focal point of the stone siding. And you can see in the stone siding it has blue and browns and grays and whites. So once we got that started, we chose the siding, the Wedgwood blue, to blend in, and then a roof, Mission Brown, to blend in with the brown. And the front door, we put in a new stained walnut door and overhead garage door to match. Plus, we built that new porch on the front. So what we've done is we've changed this home tremendously. We took it from a home that was drab to fab. If you'd like to find out more, simply go to our website, keyexteriors.com, hit the button that says 50,000 Home Makeover Winner, send it in to us, and who knows, maybe next year you'll be the big winner.